Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify product pages for higher Google rankings. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the products section. Select a product you wish to update. Start with the product title. Ensure your title includes relevant keywords. Keep it clear and concise. Next, move to the product description. Craft a detailed and informative description. Incorporate primary and secondary keywords naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. Use bullet points for easy readability. Now, focus on your product images. Upload high-quality images with descriptive file names. Use alt text to describe each image using keywords. This helps with SEO and accessibility. Check the product tags. Add relevant tags that reflect the product's features and categories. Ensure your tags align with search intent. Next, update the product URL. Make sure it's short, descriptive, and includes keywords. Now, configure your SEO settings. Scroll down to the Search Engine Listing Preview section. Edit the meta title and meta description. Include primary keywords in these fields. Make the meta description enticing to improve click-through rates. Set up the product variants if applicable. Ensure each variant has its own unique description. Conduct a keyword analysis if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.